Yo, hola, 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 okay, hola. You see me looking tipsy, happy time is cola. My God, I love the picky.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna jump right in. I'm gonna do my brows. Usually I do them off camera when I'm doing a makeup live. So I just decided to show you guys how I create my brow. I'm gonna be using my brow pencil in 02, which is a medium brown, and I use this for the majority of my brow, penciling it in, creating it top to bottom, and I'm just going to draw the brow on and I'm going to fill it in. Right here, I'm taking the same brow pencil and I'm using a spoolie on the other end just to brush the product in. Sometimes you have missing spaces where you don't even know you have a missing space because the brow looks like it's fully covered and created, but it's really not. So I just do this step so that I can really see what I have going on. Now I'm going to take a concealer. Do not do this step. I went too close, and later on you will see me fix this brow. But this is my left brow, and it's always my hard brow because I'm right-handed and I gotta literally contort my whole body just to make sure that I get the brow right. And I just started way too close. Now this is what you want to do. I started right up under the other brow. My left brow, I cut into the brow. You don't want to do that. You want to create a nice soft brow. Like, look at this brow. My left brow is just the goat. I love her. But yes, I'm going to let you see this part, and then I'm going to come back because I'm going to have to explain what I did to fix the other brow. So I'm just going to clean the top up because I have to anyway. And the issue is on the bottom. So I really didn't stress about the top. The top is fine. But I'm going to have to go in a few minutes. You'll see me going in with the same 02 pencil because Lord knows I needed to fix this brow. So I tried to like finagle it, but it wasn't working. So you're gonna see me take my brow pencil. The one thing I love about my brow pencil is it will go over foundation, it will go over cream, it will go over your concealer. So I just literally went over that concealer that wasn't supposed to be there, drew the brow back on, and just continue to conceal right up under where I just refilled it in. Now I'm trying to like look at the left brow and look at the right brow and try to get them to look as symmetrical and as the same as possible. But sometimes that doesn't work. It just does not work. And I like this brow. Now I have many styles brows. That's one thing about me. Now I'm going in with 01 brow pencil because I love a dark gradient brow. My hair is always going to be black. So if my hair is black, I'm definitely going to go in and just fill in slightly with the same pencil, the 01, just to add a little more darkness to the brow. 01 is very dark. It's more of a chocolate brown, whereas 02, the pencil I used in the beginning, is more of a medium brown. And I'm going to always feather it in, blend it, fade out the front, I like to do that. That's just what I usually do. Now I'm just going to let you guys see this, and yeah, probably go in and keep touching it up. Hopefully not. Oh, great. Now I'm jumping into my P. Louise base. This is 03, I believe. Now, this is what I normally do right before I go live, or sometimes I do this part on live. I like to fade the base into the concealer and let them look like it's one. I hate when I see separation, so I'm just going to let you guys see me, you know, blending the base into the concealer under the eyes. And that's pretty much the end of the video. I just decided to throw this in. Why not? But yes, I'll be back to do another brow tutorial because, like I said, I have many different style of brow. This brow doesn't have a long tail. Sometimes I'll do a brow with a long tail and a really high arch, depending on how I feel. But this is the brow that I've been wearing for a little while now. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next tutorial or my live. Bye guys.